This is gonna tell you guys what to do. We're gonna go ahead and change out the shock oil. Ace, go ahead and take it. What do you got to say? Really? What weight oil, Ace? Are we using 50 weight? We're using 50 weight, guys, in the rear. And we're gonna use 60 weight in the front. What do you think, Ace? All right, let's do this, guys. First up, J-Concept Magmas. Oh, and I gotta give a shout out to PnW 17mm lug 7075. These are purple. Check them out. Here we go. Turn the truck on. Radio is on. Let's see what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, nobody's seen this, so yeah, we did 50 weight in the rear. Whew. Oh, these tires are just so grippy, guys. Oh, they're so cushioned. So much cushion with them too. We might try some 60 in the front, but it's didn't really want that, but I think that 50 weight's doing pretty good. Sticking to the ground. Nice. These tires might be my favorite. Wow, you guys, that 50 weight in the rear is just really helping this truck out a lot. It's a good 50 or 60 feet going on there. Let's check the temps on the motor.